STM Beats.
Damn, she broke my heart. I don't got no life. I tore my brain apart. Throwing money at her, yeah, she shake it in the dark. Says she wanna have a baby, but I cannot play a part. See it from the stars, see it up on Mars. Run into your arms, cause we hate to be apart. Running from my demons, gotta leave them in the dark. Pop a perk, I'm floating, it don't leave me any scars. I'm just floating in the stars. Yeah, I'm up in space. Psychedelics crazy, yeah, they made me this way. LSD on my mind, it don't have any taste. The flavor of the trip, put some sour in my face. Going to another place, get the fuck out my way. Got no time for distractions, get the fuck up out my face. Getting to the money, yeah, it's just a crazy chase. Running from these bitches, cause I know love fade away. Yeah, I know it fade away. You and I won't last. Fuck all of your love, I put it into the past. And fuck all of these hoes, money don't make you have class. Fuck all of the drama, can I see you shake that ass? Baby, go and shake that ass, shake it off for me. Look into my eyes and tell me what you see, yeah. I know it's just lust, I know you don't love me. I don't want your trust, you just want my money, yeah. You don't really love me, yeah, you on my mind, but you never bring me peace. Living in hell, wish that I could see the sea. Sleeping in the sky, stay far away from me. Flying in my dreams, I know that it's the LSD. LSD, I can feel it in my dreams. LSD, I can feel it in my teeth. LSD, yeah, yeah. Damn, she broke my heart. I don't got no life, I tore my brain apart. Throwing money at her, yeah, she shake it in the dark. Says she wanna have a baby, but I cannot play a part. See it from the stars, see it up on Mars. Run into your arms, cause we hate to be apart. Running from my demons, gotta leave them in the dark. Pop a perk, I'm floating, it don't leave me any scars. I'm just floating in the stars. Damn, she broke my heart. I don't got no life, I tore my brain apart. Throwing money at her, yeah, she shake it in the dark. Say she wanna have a baby, but I cannot play a part. No, no, no. Yeah, I see it from the stars, see it up on Mars. Run into your arms, cause we hate to be apart. Running from my demons, gotta leave them in the dark. Pop a perk, I'm floating, it don't leave me.
I am uncomfortable with being comfortable. I'm trying to do the unthinkable. I'd rather die than be stuck in the cubicle. I'd rather spend my whole life in the studio. Practice my swing, I've been working on hits. Trying to do shows and sold out events. All of these rappers be claiming they next. The way they be moving, I'm never convinced. Look at the odds, I came to get even. Gave them a chance, they gave me a reason. Open their eyes, they all see the vision. 2019 and it's almighty season. Been on the edge, I might jump on my skin. I cannot act like I'm one of your friends. Put on a smile, sit back and pretend like all your music is 10 out of 10. Ain't like me then, what you think of me now? I see their faces when I come around. I used to dream about being the king, but now I'm more than a throne and a crown. No one showed me how to make it here. Rappers come and then they disappear. I'm trying to stick around every year. No more falling on deaf ears. Join the success or just watch me succeed. Been on my job and you been on Indeed. I know some people that say that they got me, but I know deep down that they want me to bleed. Never been into the fairy tales. I told myself that I wouldn't fail. I gotta clean up my basement. Their bodies of rappers are leaving an awful smell. I want a taste of that luxury. I make that bread for my family. Working on building a company. Making those moves so they fuck with me. Fuck with me. Fuck with me. None of my enemies better come. Fuck with me. Fuck with me. I keep it real so they fuck with me. I want a taste of that luxury. I make that bread for my family. Working on building a company. Making those moves so they fuck with me. They think they know what is best for me. Back then they wouldn't invest in me. Now they done put all they trust in me. See that I'm cooking, don't step in the kitchen and fuck up the recipe. Seem like these people impressed with me. I'm about to blow up eventually. Funny how making this music just felt like a hobby, but slowly became a necessity. They wanna know how I made it this far. I tell them this wasn't made overnight. Learn from mistakes, I was doing it wrong. This time around I'll be getting it right. Spend too much time in the dark. Seem like the old me done came to the light. I do it all for the love and the fans. You do it all for the bitches and hype. I cannot live like I'm somebody else. I'm doing fine, just being myself. Rappers get famous, then look in the mirror, forgot who they were, now they crying for help. I used to follow they lead, but now I just lead by example. Talking that business, we chopping it up like a sample. I see the world from a whole different angle. I don't relate to these other guys. Look up to people they idolize. None of our energy synchronized. It's just been harder to empathize. I don't go out on the weekend. I'm up early secret. I want a taste of that luxury. I make that bread for my family. Working on building a company. Making those moves so they